Once upon a time, in a cozy little cabin near the forest, there lived a young bear named Bella. Bella was curious and loved exploring every corner of her home. One sunny afternoon, Bella was playing with a colorful butterfly that had flown in through an open window.
Yay!
The butterfly fluttered around the room, and Bella happily chased after it. As she ran across the floor, she accidentally bumped into a small table. Crash! A beautiful blue vase fell to the ground and broke into pieces. Bella froze. Her eyes grew wide. "Oh no," she whispered. She looked around nervously.
Wow.
Maybe she could hide the broken pieces. Maybe nobody would notice. Maybe she could pretend it never happened. But deep inside, Bella knew that wasn't the right thing to do. Taking a deep breath, she walked to find her mother. "Mom," Bella said softly, "I need to tell you something." Her mother looked down and listened carefully. "I accidentally broke the blue vase," Bella admitted. For a moment, Bella worried that her mother might be angry. Instead, her mother gently smiled. "Thank you for telling me the truth," she said. "The vase can be replaced, but honesty is something very special." Bella felt a warm feeling inside. She was glad she had told the truth. That day, Bella learned an important lesson. Making mistakes is part of growing up, but being honest helps others trust you. And trust is one of the most valuable things we can share.